Today, we're taking a fun trip down memory lane with 10 vintage kitchen gadgets you just have to see. These old school tools aren't just cool to look at, they also remind us of a time when cooking was all about hands-on fun. Whether you're into collecting, love retro designs, or are just curious about how things used to be, this video is for you. Let's dive in. First up, we've got the hand crank egg beater. Before electric mixers were a thing, this was a kitchen must-have. It's super easy to use, just turn the crank, and the gears spin to whip up eggs, cream, and batter in no time. It's simple, sturdy, and gives you complete control over your mixing. Plus, it's a sneaky way to get a little arm workout while you're at it. Next, we're moving on to something fun and a bit quirky, the pop-up hot dog toaster. Imagine a regular toaster, but with a twist. It toasts your hot dogs and buns at the same time. Just pop them in, press the lever, and in a few minutes, you've got perfectly toasted hot dogs. It's great for a quick snack or a retro-themed party. Now, let's cool things down with the old-fashioned ice cream maker. This one's a true blast from the past. With its hand crank design, you can make rich, creamy ice cream just like they did back in the day. The wooden bucket and hand crank give you that authentic, hands-on experience, but if you're feeling lazy, there's an electric motor too. Just toss in your ingredients, ice, and rock salt, and let the magic happen. The result? Delicious homemade ice cream that tastes just like childhood summers. For all the coffee lovers out there, this one's for you, the cast iron coffee machine. This vintage gadget lets you grind your coffee beans by hand, giving you a fresher, richer brew every morning. It's not just about the coffee, it's the whole experience. There's something really satisfying about doing it yourself, and the taste. You'll notice the difference. Let's talk pasta with the manual pasta maker. This gadget turns simple dough into beautiful, fresh pasta right in your kitchen. Whether you're making spaghetti or fettuccine, this tool brings the authentic taste of homemade pasta to your table. Now, let's add a touch of style to our seasoning with the stainless steel pepper grinder. Not only does it look sleek with its polished finish, but it's also super functional. Just pour in your peppercorns, turn the handle, and you've got freshly ground pepper ready to go. Plus, it's a nice piece to show off on your countertop. Enjoying these incredible gadgets? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest kitchen gadget reviews and tips. Let's move on to something a bit more robust, the manual meat grinder. Before the days of pre-packaged ground meat, this was the go-to tool for making burgers, sausages, and more. Made from durable stainless steel, this gadget features a clamp base for stability, a hand crank mechanism for grinding, and interchangeable plates for different textures. Ideal for grinding meat, vegetables, and nuts, it's easy to use, making it perfect for those who prefer a manual approach to food preparation. Next, check out this old-fashioned apple peeler. This classic gadget makes peeling apples a breeze. Just turn the crank, and the apple is quickly peeled by a sharp blade. It's fast, efficient, and fun to use. Plus, its old-school design makes it a great piece to display in your kitchen. And who can forget movie nights? The popcorn air popper is a vintage gadget that brings the theater experience to your home. It uses hot air to pop the kernels, making a healthy, oil-free snack. It's quick, fun, and the smell of fresh popcorn will have everyone running to the kitchen. Last but not least, we have the salad shooter. This handy kitchen tool is all about making your prep work easier. It features various attachments that allow you to slice, shred, and grate vegetables, fruits, and cheese with ease. This compact device operates with a simple trigger mechanism, processing food through a chute and directly into a bowl or plate. Its ease of use and quick operation make it ideal for preparing ingredients for salads, pizzas, and more. This efficiency and convenience make it a popular choice for anyone looking to save time in the kitchen. And that's a wrap. So, which one of these vintage gadgets would you love to have in your kitchen? Let me know in the comments below.